हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज वीडियो रे हम डिस्कशन करबा सोशियोलॉजिकल फाउंडेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन रो किछि क्वेश्चन आंसर ऊपर। तो चलंतु स्टार्ट करबा आज वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो जे द वर्ड सोसाइटी इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम व्हिच लैटिन वर्ड। ऑप्शन है जे सोसियर, सोसियस, सोसाइटस, सोसियम। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी सोसियस। तपर सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखिबा। What does the etymological meaning of society suggest? Option है isolation and separation, living together and mutual cooperation, a government controlled structure, a fixed and rigid social structure. Our answer अब option number B, living together and mutual cooperation. 3 number question देखिबा, which of the following is a key characteristics of society? Option है people living in complete isolation. ऑप्शन बी रही कंटिन्यूअस सोशल इंटरैक्शन एमंग इंडिविजुअल्स। ऑप्शन सी रही ए फिक्स्ड एंड अनचेंजिंग स्ट्रक्चर। ऑप्शन डी रही द एब्सेंस ऑफ रूल्स एंड नॉर्म्स। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी कंटिन्यूअस सोशल इंटरैक्शन एमंग इंडिविजुअल्स। तापर 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सोसाइटी। आर ऑप्शन है सोशल रिलेशनशिप, शेयर्ड कल्चर एंड नॉर्म्स, एब्सोल्यूट इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स, interdependence among people. Our answer of option number C, absolute independence of individuals. तापर 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट इज एन एसेंशियल फंक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन ए रे प्रिवेंटिंग पीपल फ्रॉम कम्युनिकेटिंग, प्रोवाइडिंग ए स्ट्रक्चर्ड सिस्टम फॉर कोऑपरेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट। ऑप्शन सी रे एंश्योरिंग एवरीवन थिंक्स द सेम वे। ऑप्शन डी रे एलिमिनेटिंग डिफरेंसेस among individuals. Our answer of option number B, providing a structured system for cooperation and development. तापर 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एन एग्रीकल्चरल सोसाइटी। आर ऑप्शन है डिपेंडेंस ऑन इंडस्ट्रीज एंड फैक्ट्रीज। ऑप्शन बी रही रिलायंस ऑन फार्मिंग एंड डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स। ऑप्शन सी रही डोमिनेंस ऑफ डिजिटल एंड सर्विस बेस्ड इकोनॉमी। ऑप्शन डी रही लैक ऑफ एनी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रिलायंस ऑन फार्मिंग एंड डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स। तापर 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए की फीचर ऑफ एन इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन है स्मॉल स्केल फार्मिंग एंड लोकल ट्रेड। ऑप्शन बी रही मशीन बेस्ड मास प्रोडक्शन एंड फैक्ट्री सिस्टम। ऑप्शन सी रही हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग लाइफस्टाइल। ऑप्शन डी रही कंप्लीट एब्सेंस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, मशीन बेस्ड मास प्रोडक्शन एंड फैक्ट्री सिस्टम। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज ए कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ए रूरल सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन है हाई पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी एंड कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज, फास्ट पेस्ड लाइफ एंड डाइवर्स जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, close knit communities and reliance on agriculture, advanced infrastructure and large corporations. Our answer of option number C, close knit communities and reliance on agriculture. At 9 number question देखिबा, what differentiates an urban society from a rural society. Option है urban societies rely on agriculture while rural societies focus on trade. Option B रही rural societies have higher technological advancement than urban society. Option C रही urban societies are industrialized with diverse job opportunities while rural societies focus on agriculture. Option D रही rural societies have large population and modern infrastructure while urban societies do not. Our answer of option number C, urban societies are industrialized with diverse job opportunities while rural societies focus on agriculture. 10 number question देखिबा, which of the following is a major consequence of industrialization on society. आर ऑप्शन है डिक्लाइन इन ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स, इंक्रीज इन रूरल पॉपुलेशन, ग्रोथ ऑफ सिटीज एंड अर्बनाइजेशन, complete disappearance of agricultural activities. Our answer of option number C, growth of cities and urbanization. तापर 11 क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following is a key advantage of an agricultural society. Our option है high dependence on technology, sustainable food production and self sufficiency, rapid industrialization, low reliance on natural resources. Our answer of option number B, sustainable food production and self sufficiency. तापर 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिवा, what is one major disadvantage of an industrial society? ऑप्शन अछि lack of employment opportunities, increased population and environmental degradation, slow technological development, complete reliance on manual labor. Our answer of option number B, increased population and environmental degradation. तापर 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिवा, which of the following best describes the lifestyle in a rural society? ऑप्शन अछि fast paced, competitive and technology driven. Option B is strong community bonds and traditional ways of living. Option C is high rise buildings and corporate culture. Option D is heavy traffic and industrial dominance. Our answer of option number B, strong community bonds and traditional ways of living. तापर 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिवा, व्हाट इज ए मेजर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी इन अर्बन सोसाइटीज? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी स्मॉल स्केल फार्मिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन, बिजनेस एंड सर्विस सेक्टर जॉब्स. ऑप्शन सी रही हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग. ऑप्शन डी रही नोमैडिक हर्डिंग. आर आंसर of option number B, industrial production, business and service sector jobs. तापर 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिवा, हाउ डज इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन इम्पैक्ट रूरल एरियाज? ऑप्शन अच्छी इंक्रीजेस एग्रीकल्चरल डिपेंडेंसी, इन डिक्रीजेस माइग्रेशन टू सिटीज, लीड्स टू अर्बनाइजेशन as people move for jobs, encourages people to remain in villages. Our answer of option number C, leads to urbanization as people move for jobs. तापर 16 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिवा, हाउ डज एजुकेशन प्राइमरीली इन्फ्लुएंस सोसाइटी? आर ऑप्शन अछि बाय आइसोलेटिंग इंडिविजुअल्स फ्रॉम सोशल इंटरैक्शन. ऑप्शन बी रही बाय ट्रांसमिटिंग कल्चर, वैल्यूज एंड नॉलेज. ऑप्शन सी रही बाय डिस्करेजिंग सोशल चेंज. ऑप्शन डी रही बाय रेस्ट्रिक्टिंग टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट. आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बाय ट्रांसमिटिंग कल्चर, वैल्यूज एंड नॉलेज. 17 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा तापरे, which of the following best describes the relationship between education and social change? ऑप्शन अछि education resist all forms of social change, education helps in bringing social change and modernization, education only follows existing social structures without change, education has no impact on society. Our answer of option number B, education helps in bringing social change and modernization. 18 number question, what role does society play in shaping education? Our option is society has no role in education. Society determines the aims, curriculum and methods of education. Education exists independently on social needs. Society and education are unrelated. Our answer of option number B, society determines the aims, curriculum and methods of education. तापर देखिवा 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज एजुकेशन कंट्रीब्यूट टू सोशल मोबिलिटी? आर ऑप्शन अछि बाय मेंटेनिंग रिजिड क्लास डिविजन्स, बाय प्रोवाइडिंग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. ऑप्शन बी रही बाय लिमिटिंग एक्सेस टू नॉलेज, बाय रेनफोर्सिंग सोशल इनइक्वालिटी. Our answer of option number B, by providing equal opportunities for skill development and employment. तापर 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a major function of education in society? आर ऑप्शन ने अछि promoting ignorance and discrimination, strengthening social unity and cohesion, eliminating cultural diversity, restricting personal development. Our answer of option number B, strengthening social unity and cohesion. तापर देखिए 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी एम ऑफ एजुकेशन? आर ऑप्शन अछि मेमोराइजेशन ऑफ फैक्ट्स, डेवलपिंग क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड मोरल वैल्यूज. ऑप्शन सी रही प्रिपेयरिंग स्टूडेंट्स ओनली फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, रेस्ट्रिक्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स टू ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डेवलपिंग क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड मोरल वैल्यूज. तापर 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट रोल डज राधाकृष्ण असाइन टू टीचर्स इन एजुकेशन? ऑप्शन अछि मेरे ट्रांसमिटर्स ऑफ नॉलेज, गाइड्स एंड रोल मॉडल्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, एनफोर्सेस ऑफ स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन, फिगर्स ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट अथॉरिटी. आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी गाइड्स एंड रोल मॉडल्स फॉर स्टूडेंट्स। तापर 23 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डिड राधाकृष्ण व्यू द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एजुकेशन एंड सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन है एजुकेशन एंड सोसाइटी आर सेपरेट एंटिटीज। Education is the tool for shaping an ideal society. Education has no influence on societal values. Society should control education without reform. Our answer of option number B. Education is the tool for shaping an ideal society. तापर 24 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू राधाकृष्णन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन इज एसेंशियल फॉर नेशनल डेवलपमेंट। ऑप्शन है प्योरली टेक्निकल एजुकेशन an education system rooted in both scientific knowledge and spiritual wisdom. Option C रही है completely religious education. Option D रही है system focused only on economic growth. Our answer of option number B an education system rooted in both scientific knowledge and spiritual wisdom. तापर देखिए 25 नंबर क्वेश्चन What was Radhakrishnan's suggestion for higher education in India? Our option is focus only on technical and vocational skills, promote independent thinking and research, keep students away from philosophy and ethics, follow a rigid curriculum without flexibility. Our answer of option number B promote independent thinking and research. तापर 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू श्री अरबिंदो व्हाट इज द अल्टीमेट गोल ऑफ एजुकेशन। आर ऑप्शन है गेनिंग मटेरियल वेल्थ। ऑप्शन बी रही डेवलपिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल स्पिरिचुअल एंड फिजिकल पोटेंशियल। ऑप्शन सी रही मेमोराइजिंग टेक्स्ट बुक्स। ऑप्शन डी रही प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी डेवलपिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल स्पिरिचुअल एंड फिजिकल पोटेंशियल। 27 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स Aurobindo's concept of integral education. Option है education should focus only on academic excellence. Education must develop all aspects of a human being, physical, emotional, mental and spiritual. Education should be limited to scientific knowledge. Education should focus only on traditional values. Our answer of option number B. Education must develop all aspects of a human being, physical, emotional, mental and spiritual. तापर 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज श्री अरबिंदोज व्यू ऑन द रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन इन सोसाइटी। आर ऑप्शन है एजुकेशन शुड बी यूज्ड एज ए टूल फॉर पॉलिटिकल पावर। ऑप्शन बी रही एजुकेशन शुड हेल्प इन नेशनल रीजेनरेशन एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग। ऑप्शन सी रही एजुकेशन हैज नो इम्पैक्ट ऑन सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन डी रही एजुकेशन शुड रिमेन सेपरेट फ्रॉम सोशल डेवलपमेंट। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी एजुकेशन शुड हेल्प इन नेशनल रीजेनरेशन एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवेकनिंग। तापरे 29 नंबर क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू श्री अरबिंदो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द टीचर इन एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन है टू इम्पोज स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन एंड रूल्स, to act as facilitator guiding the students' inner growth. Option C रही to only deliver lectures without personal involvement. Option D रही to ensure students memorize facts. Our answer of option number B to act as a facilitator guiding the students' inner growth. 30 number question what did Sri Aurobindo emphasize about the method of teaching? Our option है rote memorization is the best method. Learning should be student centered and experience based. Education should strictly follow colonial models. Students should have no freedom in learning. Our answer of option number B learning should be student centered and experience based. तापर 31 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉन डीवे व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन इन सोसाइटी। आर ऑप्शन है टू प्रिपेयर इंडिविजुअल्स ओनली फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, to transit cultural traditions without change, to create active and responsible citizens, to enforce strict discipline on children. Our answer of option number C to create active and responsible citizens. तापर 32 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज ड्यूए व्यू द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एजुकेशन एंड सोसाइटी। ऑप्शन है एजुकेशन एंड सोसाइटी आर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ईच अदर। सोसाइटी शेप्स एजुकेशन एंड एजुकेशन रिफॉर्म्स सोसाइटी। सोसाइटी हैज नो रोल इन शेपिंग एजुकेशन। एजुकेशन शुड नॉट बी इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय सोशल नीड्स। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी सोसाइटी शेप्स एजुकेशन एंड एजुकेशन रिफॉर्म्स सोसाइटी। तापर 33 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन Dewey's व्यू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम बेस्ट serves a democratic society? Our option is one that promotes rigid discipline and memorization, one that encourages experiential learning and critical thinking, one that discourages student participation, one that limits education to theoretical knowledge only. Our answer of option number B, one that encourages experiential learning and critical thinking. तापर 34 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड डीयूए believe about the role of the school in society? यार ऑप्शन है schools should function separately from society. Schools should act as miniature societies where children learn democratic values. Option C है schools should only provide theoretical knowledge. Schools should strictly follow traditional methods without change. Our answer of option number B, schools should follow act as miniature societies where children learn democratic values. तापर देखिबा 35 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज डीयूए सजेस्ट एजुकेशन शुड रेस्पोंड टू social change? Our option है by resisting all social changes, by adapting to societal needs and preparing students for future challenges, by keeping the education system rigid and unchanged, by focusing only on past tradition. Our answer of option number B, by adapting to societal needs and preparing students for future challenges. 36 number question according to Ivan Illich, what is the main problem with the traditional schooling system? Option A, it encourages creativity and self-learning. It reinforces social inequalities and limits personal freedom. It is the best way to develop critical thinking. It effectively prepares students for democratic participation. Our answer of option number B, it reinforces social inequalities and limits personal freedoms. तापर देखिबा 37 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड इलिच प्रपोज एज एन अल्टरनेटिव टू institutionalized education? Our answer our option is strengthening government run schools, implementing stricter academic curriculums, a deschooling society with self-directed learning networks, increasing the number of private schools. Our answer of option number C, a deschooling society with self-directed learning networks. 38 number question how does Illich view the relationship between education and society? Education should be controlled by the government. Society should encourage informal and lifelong learning instead of structured schooling. Schools are the only way to achieve knowledge. Education and society are unrelated. Our answer of option number B, society should encourage informal and lifelong learning instead of structured schooling. तापर 39 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा अकॉर्डिंग टू इलिच व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ कंपल्सरी स्कूलिंग ऑन सोसाइटी? आर ऑप्शन अछि इट एम्पावर्स individuals and promotes inequality. Option B अछि it limits creativity and reinforces dependency on institutions. Option C अछि it ensures equal opportunities for all. Option D अछि it is the best way to create independent thinkers. Our answer of option number B, it limits creativity and enforces dependency on institutions. 40 number question what kind of education system did Illich advocate for? Option A, a rigid exam based system, a free and open system where learners choose what and how to learn. Option C, a school centric model with strict discipline. Option D, a highly centralized education structure. Our answer of option number B, a free and open system where learners choose what and how to learn. तापर 41 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द इटिमोलॉजिकल origin of the word culture? आर ऑप्शन अछि लैटिन वर्ड कल्चुरा मीनिंग होछि कल्टीवेशन और ग्रोथ. ऑप्शन बी रे अछि ग्रीक वर्ड कल्चुरा मीनिंग होछि सिविलाइजेशन. ऑप्शन सी रे अछि संस्कृत वर्ड कीर्ति मीनिंग रे अछि क्रिएशन. ऑप्शन डी रे अछि फ्रेंच वर्ड कल्टे मीनिंग होछि वर्शिप. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर ए लैटिन वर्ड कल्चुरा मीनिंग होछि कल्टीवेशन और ग्रोथ. तापर देखिए 42 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिफाइंस कल्चर इन ए ब्रॉड सेंस? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी ओनली आर्ट एंड म्यूजिक द वे लाइफ बिलीव्स वैल्यूज एंड पार्टिसिपेट्स ऑफ ए सोसाइटी ऑप्शन सी रही ए सेट ऑफ लॉज गवर्निंग ए कंट्री ऑप्शन डी रही ओनली रिलीजियस ट्रेडिशंस आर आंसर of ऑप्शन नंबर बी द वे ऑफ लाइफ बिलीव्स वैल्यूज एंड पार्टिसिपेट्स ऑफ ए सोसाइटी 43 number question. Which of the following is not considered a component of culture? Option A language, technology, climate, traditions. Our answer of option number C climate. तापर देखिए 44 number question. How is culture transmitted from one generation to another? Option A through genetic inheritance. Option B रही through social learning, education and communication. Option C रही only through religious institutions. Option D रही through biological evolution. Our answer of option number B through social learning, education and communication. तापर देखिए 45 number question. What is the difference between material and non-material culture? Our option है material culture includes physical objects while non-material culture includes beliefs and values. Option B is non-material culture refers to technology while material culture refers to social norms. Option C is both are the same and interchangeable. Option D is non-material culture is more powerful than material culture. Our answer of option number A material culture includes physical objects while non-material cultures includes beliefs and values. 46 number question. Which of the following is not a characteristics of culture? Our option is culture is learned, culture is static and unchanging, culture is shared among members of society, culture is transmitted from generation to generation. Our answer of option number B culture is static and unchanging. तापर 47 number question. Which of the following best describes material culture? Option A the beliefs, customs and values of a society, physical objects, artifacts and tools used in daily life, religious practices and traditions, the ethical principles followed by a community. Our answer of option number B physical objects, artifacts and tools used in daily life. तापर 48 number question. What is an example of non-material culture? आर ऑप्शन अच्छे स्मार्टफोन, ट्रेडिशनल फोक सॉन्ग, हिस्टोरिकल मोनुमेंट, हैंडमेड पॉट. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी ए ट्रेडिशनल फोक सॉन्ग. तापर देखिए 49 नंबर क्वेश्चन. व्हिच टाइप ऑफ कल्चर इज पास्ड डाउन इनफॉर्मली within families and communities? आर ऑप्शन अच्छे पॉपुलर कल्चर्स, फोक कल्चर्स, हाई कल्चर, काउंटर कल्चर. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी फोक कल्चर. 50 number question. What is the main difference between high cultural culture and popular culture? Our option is high culture is only for the elite while popular culture is for all social classes. Option B is popular culture is outdated while high culture is modern. Option C is high culture includes folk traditions while popular culture includes only technology. Option D is there is no real difference between high culture and popular culture. Our answer of option number E high culture is only for the elite which while popular culture is for all social classes. 51 number question देखिवा. What is the etymological origin of the term cultural lag? Option अच्छी derived from the Latin word cultura जार माने होची cultivation and lag जार माने होची meaning delay. तापरे ऑप्शन बी रे अछि coined by Karl Marx in his theory of social change. ऑप्शन सी रे अछि derived from the Greek word cultura meaning होची cultivation. ऑप्शन डी रे अछि concept developed by Sigmund Freud in psychology. Our answer of option number A derived from the Latin word cultura जार माने होची cultivation और lag जार माने होची delay. तापर 52 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा. Who introduced the concept of cultural lag? आर ऑप्शन अछि कार्ल मार्क्स, ऑगस्ट कोम्टे, विलियम एफ ऑकबर्न, इमाइल दुर्खिम. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी विलियम एफ ऑकबर्न. तापर 53 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा. What best describes cultural lag? Our option is a situation where society advances in all aspects at the same rate. Option B is the delay in the adoption of non-material culture to changes in material culture. Option C is the complete rejection of technological advancement. Option D is a rapid change in tradition and values. The answer of option number B, the delay in the adoption of non-material culture to changes in material culture. 54 number question. Which of the following is an example of cultural lag? Our option is the use of smartphones leading to new online communication styles, legal systems struggling to regulate artificial intelligence and data privacy. Option C is the introduction of a new language in schools. Option D is a country adopting a new currency for trade. Our answer of option number B, legal systems struggling to regulate artificial intelligence and data privacy. 55 number question. How can cultural lag impact society? Our option is it always leads to immediate social harmony. It creates conflicts, delay in social policy, and ethical dilemmas. Option C is it ensures that culture evolves without resistance. Option D is it prevents technological advancement. Our answer of option number B, it creates conflicts, delays in social policies and ethical dilemmas. तापर 56 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्चुअलरेशन. आर ऑप्शन अछि द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंप्लीटली अबैंडनिंग one's own culture, the process of adopting elements of another culture while retaining one's original culture, the rejection of all cultural influences, the isolation of one culture from another. Our answer of option number B, the process of adopting elements of another culture while retaining one's original culture. तापर 57 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is an example of acceleration. Our option is a person moving to another country and completely abandoning their native language. Option B is a community that refuses to adopt any foreign customs. Option C is a person learning a new language while continuing to speak their mother tongue. Option D is a country enforcing strict cultural rules to prevent external influence. Our answer of option number C, a person learning a new language while continuing to speak their mother tongue. तापर 58 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्चुअलरेशन एंड एसिमिलेशन. आर ऑप्शन रे अछि एक्चुअलरेशन इन्वॉल्व्स adopting aspects of another culture while keeping one's identity, whereas assimilation involves complete absorption into another culture. Option B रे अछि acceleration and assimilation mean the same thing. Option C रे अछि acceleration happens instantly while assimilation is a gradual process. Option D रे अछि assimilation is voluntary while acceleration is forced. Our answer of option number A, acceleration involves adopting aspects of another culture while keeping one's identity, whereas assimilation involves complete absorption into another culture. 59 number question देखिबा which of the following factors influence acceleration. Option A रही migration, globalization and cultural exchange. Option B रही genetic inheritance and biological traits. Option C रही government laws alone. Option D रही climate and geography. Our answer of option number A, migration, globalization and cultural exchange. तापर 60 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल चैलेंज ऑफ एक्चुअलरेशन. आर ऑप्शन अछि it always leads to cultural loss, it may cause identity conflicts and cultural adoption stress, it prevents cultural diversity, it only happens in isolated communities. Our answer of option number B, it may cause identity conflicts and cultural adoption stress. तापर 61 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट डज द कल्चरल डायमेंशन ऑफ एजुकेशन प्राइमरली फोकस ऑन. आर ऑप्शन अछि द बायोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, The role of culture in shaping educational values, content, and teaching methods. Option C रे अछि the influence of climate on education. Option D रे अछि the elimination of cultural diversity in schools. Our answer of option number B is the role of culture in shaping educational values, content, and teaching methods. 62 number question देखिवा which of the following is an example of the cultural dimension of education. Our option is using a universal teaching method that ignores cultural differences. Option B is incorporating local tradition and languages into the curriculum. Option C is teaching all students only one dominant culture. Option D is avoiding discussion on cultural diversity in classroom. Our answer of option number B, incorporating local tradition and languages into the curriculum. तापर 63 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज कल्चर इन्फ्लुएंस द लर्निंग स्टाइल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. आर ऑप्शन ने अछि ऑल स्टूडेंट्स लर्न द सेम वे regardless of cultural background. Culture influences whether students prefer individual or group learning, memorization or problem solving. Option C रे अछि cultural background has no effect on how students learn. Option D रे अछि only intelligence determines learning style, not culture. Our answer of option number B, culture influences whether students prefer individual or group learning, memorization or problem solving. तापर देखिए 64 नंबर क्वेश्चन according to Hofstede's cultural dimensions theory, which of the following dimensions impacts education on the most? Option A power distance, individualism versus collectivism and uncertainty avoidance. Option B रे climate change and geography. Option C रे economic status and trade policies. Option D रे biological evolution. Our answer of option number A, power distance, individualism versus collectivism and uncertainty avoidance. तापर 65 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज ए मेजर चैलेंज इन कल्चरली रेस्पॉन्सिव एजुकेशन. ऑप्शन अछि इट ओनली बेनिफिट्स स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम डोमिनेंट कल्चर्स. It can be difficult to balance multiple cultural perspectives in one curriculum. It prevents students from learning about other cultures. It discourages innovation in education. Our answer of option number B, it can be difficult to balance multiple cultural perspectives in one curriculum. तापर 66 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज एजुकेशन इन्फ्लुएंस कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस. ऑप्शन अछि by completing eliminating old costumes, by reinforcing modifying or challenging existing costumes, by preventing any changes in traditions, by only teaching students about foreign costumes. Our answer of option number B, by reinforcing, modifying and or challenging existing customs. तापर 67 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा what role does education play in shaping a society's value system. Our option is it has no role in influencing values. It teaches individuals the moral and ethical principles of a society. It only focuses on academic knowledge, not values. It replaces all traditional values with modern ones. Our answer of option number B, it teaches individuals the moral and ethical principles of a society. तापर 68 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन कस्टम्स एंड वैल्यूज. Our option is customs and values are always the same. Customs are traditional practices while values are the underlying beliefs that justify those practices. Option C is values only exist in modern societies while customs belongs to ancient societies. Option D is customs change frequently but values never change. Our answer of option number B, costumes are traditional practices while values are the underlying beliefs that justify those practices. तापर 69 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज एजुकेशन हेल्प इन रिजॉल्विंग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बिटवीन ट्रेडिशनल कस्टम्स एंड मॉडर्न वैल्यूज. Our option is by encouraging blind adherence to traditional customs, by creating awareness and fostering critical thinking, by completely rejecting all costumes, by ignoring the discussion of values in schools. Our answer of option number B, by creating awareness and fostering critical thinking. तापर 70 number question, why is it important to integrate cultural costumes and values into education? Our answer option is to ensure students learn only about their own culture, to promote cultural identity, respect for diversity and social cohesion, to prevent students from questioning traditions, to limit exposure to other cultures. Our answer of option number B, to promote cultural identity, respect for diversity and social cohesion. तापर देखिए 71 नंबर क्वेश्चन, what is the primary role of education in socialization? Our option is to prepare individuals for specific jobs only, to transmit cultural values, norms and knowledge to individuals, to eliminate all traditional beliefs from society, to separate individuals from society. Our answer of option number B, to transmit cultural values, norms and knowledge to individuals. तापर देखिए 72 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू सोशलाइजेशन? आर ऑप्शन ने अछि लर्निंग मैथ इन स्कूल, parents teaching a child how to greet others respectfully, attending a university lecture on physics, taking an online certification course. Our answer of option number B, parents teaching a child how to greet others respectfully. तापर 73 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, how does school function as an agent of socialization? आर ऑप्शन अछि it only provides academic knowledge, it teaches students discipline, cooperation and social norms alongside academics. तापर ऑप्शन सी रे अछि it isolates students from social influences. ऑप्शन डी रे अछि it prevents students from questioning authority. Our answer of option number B, it teaches students discipline, cooperation and social norms alongside academics. तापर देखिए 74 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which type of socialization occurs when an individual learns new behaviors and norms in a different social environment? आर ऑप्शन अछि प्राइमरी सोशलाइजेशन, सेकेंडरी सोशलाइजेशन, जेनेटिक सोशलाइजेशन, बायोलॉजिकल सोशलाइजेशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, सेकेंडरी सोशलाइजेशन. तापर देखिए 75 नंबर क्वेश्चन, why is socialization an essential function of education? आर ऑप्शन ने अछि it helps individual integrate into society and understand social roles. It only teaches people how to earn money. It eliminates cultural diversity. It prevents social change. Our answer of option number A, it helps individuals integrate into society and understand social roles. तापर 76 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, हाउ डज एजुकेशन कंट्रीब्यूट टू सोशल चेंज? आर ऑप्शन ने अछि बाय मेंटेनिंग द स्टेटस क्यू एंड प्रिवेंटिंग चेंज. ऑप्शन बी रे अछि बाय स्प्रेडिंग न्यू आइडियाज, वैल्यूज एंड स्किल्स दैट ट्रांसफॉर्म सोसाइटी. ऑप्शन सी रे अछि बाय रेस्ट्रिक्टिंग इंडिविजुअल्स फ्रॉम क्वेश्चनिंग सोशल नॉर्म्स. ऑप्शन डी रे अछि बाय ensuring all traditions remain unchanged. Our answer of option number B, by spreading new ideas, values and skills that transform society. तापर देखिए 77 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is an example of education driving social change? ऑप्शन अछि the spread of literacy movements leading to gender equality, people refusing to adopt to new technologies, a society where no one questions traditional customs, schools focusing only on memorization about critical thinking. Our answer about option number A, the spread of literacy movements leading to gender equality. तापर 78 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, what is the major way in which education influences economic development and social change? Our option is by increasing unemployment rates, by providing individuals with knowledge skills for economic growth, by discouraging innovation and technological advancement, by restricting access to new opportunities. Our answer of option number B, by providing individuals with knowledge and skills for economic growth. तापर देखिए 79 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which type of education is most effective in bringing about social change? Our option is education that only focuses on preserving old traditions, education that encourages critical thinking, innovation, and problem solving, education that discourages questioning authority. Option D is education that ignores modern challenges. Our answer of option number B, education that encourages critical thinking, innovation, and problem solving. तापर 80 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ कैन एजुकेशन हेल्प इन रिड्यूसिंग सोशल इनइक्वालिटीज आर ऑप्शन अछि बाय प्रोवाइडिंग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर लर्निंग एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट बाय एंश्योरिंग दैट only privileged group receive quality education by restricting access to education for marginalized communities by reinforcing discrimination and stereotypes. Our answer of option number A by providing equal opportunities for learning and skill development. तापर देखिए 81 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज एजुकेशन कंट्रीब्यूट टू सोशल मोबिलिटी आर ऑप्शन अछि बाय लिमिटिंग एक्सेस टू नॉलेज फॉर लोअर क्लासेस by providing individuals with skills and qualifications to improve their social status by ensuring that only privileged groups maintain power by preventing economic growth. Our answer of option number B by providing individuals with skills and qualification to improve their social status. तापर देखिए 82 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सोशल मोबिलिटी ऑकर्स व्हेन एन इंडिविजुअल improves their social status through education and a better job. आर ऑप्शन अछि हॉरिजॉन्टल मोबिलिटी, डाउनवर्ड मोबिलिटी, वर्टिकल मोबिलिटी, generational stagnation. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी वर्टिकल मोबिलिटी. तापर देखिए 83 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स intergeneration social mobility. Our option is when an individual's social status remains the same as their parents, when a person moves to a different job without changing social status, when children achieve a higher social status than their parents due to education, when social mobility is completely absent in society. Our answer of option number C, when children achieve a higher social status than their parents ड्यू टू एजुकेशन. तापर 84 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज ए मेजर बैरियर टू अचीविंग सोशल मोबिलिटी थ्रू एजुकेशन. आर ऑप्शन अछि इक्वल एक्सेस टू एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल, इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी एंड लैक ऑफ एजुकेशनल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, गवर्नमेंट स्कॉलरशिप एंड फाइनेंशियल एड प्रोग्राम्स, हाई फ्री हायर एजुकेशन फॉर एवरीवन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी economic inequality and lack of educational opportunities. तापर 50 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ कैन गवर्नमेंट्स promote social mobility through education. Our option अछि by restricting access to higher education, by reducing funding for public schools, by providing scholarship, affordable education and skill development programs, by allowing only the wealthy to access quality education. Our answer of option number B by providing scholarship, affordable education and skill development programs. तापर देखिए 86 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज एजुकेशन हेल्प इन एम्पावरिंग marginalized communities. Our option is by keeping them isolated from mainstream society, by providing them with knowledge, skills and opportunities for economic and social progress, by limiting their access to quality learning resources, by enforcing discrimination against them. Our answer of option number B by providing them with knowledge, skills and opportunities for economic and social progress. तापर देखिबा 87 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is a major barrier to education for marginalized communities. Our option is free and accessible education for all, discrimination, poverty and lack of resources, scholarships and government support programs, inclusive policies in schools. तब our answer of option number B discrimination, poverty and lack of resources. तापर 88 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन इन सपोर्टिंग मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटीज. आर ऑप्शन अछि इट एंश्योर्स दैट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स regardless of background have equal learning opportunities, it focuses only on elite students, it excludes students with disabilities or from disadvantaged backgrounds, It discourages cultural diversity in education. Our answer of option number A. It ensures that all students regardless of background have equal learning opportunities. तापर देखिए 99 नंबर क्वेश्चन. How does education help in reducing social inequalities? Our option is by reinforcing stereotypes and biases, by providing equal opportunities for marginalized groups to improve their social and economic status, by restricting access to higher education, by ensuring that only privileged groups receive quality education. Our answer of option number B, by providing equal opportunities for marginalized groups to improve their social and economic status. 90 number question. What role does government policy play in improving education for marginalized groups? Our option is by cutting funding for educational programs, by implementing affirmative action, scholarship and community-based education programs, by restricting marginalized communities from attending schools, by ensuring only private institutions provide quality education. Our answer of option number B, by implementing affirmative action, scholarship and communicative based education programs. तापर देखिए 91 नंबर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द मेन गोल ऑफ affirmative action in education? आर ऑप्शन अछि टू प्रोवाइड इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर हिस्टोरिकली disadvantaged group, to give unfair advantages to certain groups, to replace merit based admission with quotas, to exclude privileged students from educational institutions. Our answer of option number A, to provide equal opportunities for historically disadvantaged groups. 92 number question. Which of the following is an example of affirmative action in education? Our option is providing scholarship and reservation for underprivileged students, allowing only wealthy students to attend top universities, increasing tuition fees to limit access for disadvantaged groups, restricting students from different backgrounds from studying together. Our answer of option number A, providing scholarships and reservations for underprivileged students. तापर 93 number question. How does affirmative action contribute to social justice in education? Our option is by increasing diversity and representation in schools and universities, by maintaining existing inequalities, by making education more expensive for marginalized groups, by excluding privileged students from education. Our answer of option number A, by increasing diversity and representation in schools and universities. तापर 94 number question. Which challenge is commonly associated with affirmative action in education? Our option is it eliminates discrimination entirely. It sometimes leads to debates about fairness and meritocracy. It only benefits the wealthy. It discourages access to education for marginalized groups. Our answer of option number B. It sometimes leads to debates about fairness and meritocracy. तापर देखिबा 95 नंबर क्वेश्चन. Why do many countries implement affirmative action policies in education? Our option is to promote equal access and reduce historical inequalities, to prevent students from lower income backgrounds from succeeding, to give automatic admission to all students, to limit the number of students in schools and colleges. Our answer of option number A, to promote equal access and reduce historical inequalities. तापर 96 number question. What is the basic definition of growth? Our option is a temporary increase in height and weight, a continuous and irreversible increase in size, structure and function, a process that stops after childhood, a random change in body shape. Our answer of option number B, a continuous and irreversible increase in size, structure and function. तापर 97 number question. Which factor primarily influences human growth? Our option is only genetic inheritance, only environmental conditions, a combination of genetics, nutrition, and environment, random external factors with no biological influence. Our answer of option number C, a combination of genetics, nutrition, and environment. ତାପରେ 98 number question, what is the difference between growth and development? Our option ଅଛି growth refers to qualitative changes while development refers to quantitative changes. Option B ରେ ଅଛି growth is only physical while development includes cognitive, emotional and social aspects. Option C ରେ ଅଛି growth and development are the same. Option D ରେ ଅଛି development occurs only in childhood while growth occurs throughout life. Our answer of option number B, growth is only physical while development includes cognitive, emotional and social aspects. तापर देखिए 99 number question, which hormone plays a key role in human growth? आर ऑप्शन अछि insulin, growth hormone, adrenaline, oxytocin. आर आंसर of option number B, growth hormone. तापर देखिए 100 number question, how does proper nutrition affect growth? Our option is it has no significant impact on growth. It provides essential nutrition for cell and tissue development. It only affects muscle growth, not height. It slows down the growth process. Our answer of option number B, it provides essential nutrition for cell and tissue development. So, 101 number question, what is the basic definition of development? Our option is only physical changes in a person, a continuous process of physical, cognitive, emotional, and social growth, a temporary increase in size and weight, a process that stops after childhood. Our answer of option number B, a continuous process of physical, cognitive, emotional, and social growth. So, 2 number question, how is development different from growth? Our option is development includes both qualitative and quantitative changes while growth is only quantitative. Option B रे growth and development mean the same thing. Option C रे growth happens throughout life while development stops in childhood. Option D रे development is only related to physical changes. Our answer of option number A, development includes both qualitative and quantitative changes while growth is only quantitative. तापर 103 number question, which factor influences human development the most? Our option अछि only genetic inheritance, only environmental factors, a combination of genetic, environment and personal experiences, random external changes. Our answer of option number C, a combination of genetics, environment and personal experiences. तापर देखिए 104 number question, what is an example of cognitive development? Our option अछि increase in height and weight, learning a new language or problem solving skills, developing strong muscles through exercise, changes in skin color due to climate. Our answer of option number B, learning a new knowledge or problem solving skills. तापर 105 number question, why is early childhood considered a crucial stage of development? Our option is because most physical growth happens after childhood, because brain development and personality formation take place during this stage, because learning only happens in childhood, because development stops after this stage. Our answer of option number B, because brain development and personality formation take place during this stage. तापर देखिए 106 number question, what is the primary difference between growth and development in children? Our option is growth refers to physical changes while development includes overall progress in abilities. Growth happens only in childhood while development happens throughout life. Development is only about emotional changes. Growth and development are the same. Our answer of option number A, growth refers to physical changes while development includes overall progress in abilities. तापर देखिए 107 number question, which of the following is an example of cognitive development in a child? Our option is learning to walk, recognizing colors and solving puzzles, gaining weight, growing taller. Our answer of option number B, recognizing color and solving puzzles. तापर 108 number question, at what age does a child's brain develop the fastest? Our option is birth to 5 years, 10 to 15 years, 16 to 18 years after 20 years. आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए 12 to 5 years. तापर 109 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which factor has the most significant impact on a child's development? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी only genetics, only environment, both genetics and environment, neither genetics nor environment. आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर सी both genetics and environment. 110 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू सपोर्ट ए चाइल्ड्स इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी इग्नोरिंग देयर इमोशंस, encouraging open communication and providing emotional security, letting them handle everything alone, preventing them from making mistakes. Our answer of option number B, encouraging open communication and providing emotional security. 111 number question, what is a critical milestone in social development during early childhood? Our option is learning to crawl, recognizing and responding to others' emotion, developing strong muscles, increasing in height. Our answer of option number B, recognizing and responding to others' emotion. तापर 112 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which hormone plays a significant role in a child's physical growth? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी एड्रेनालिन, ग्रोथ हार्मोन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, इंसुलिन. आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी ग्रोथ हार्मोन. 113 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ प्ले इन चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट? ऑप्शन अच्छी इट वेस्ट टाइम, इट हेल्प्स इन कॉग्निटिव, सोशल एंड फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट, इट ओनली हेल्प्स इन एंटरटेनमेंट, it has no real impact on a child's development. Our answer is option number B, it helps in cognitive, social and physical development. तापर 114 नंबर क्वेश्चन, how does proper nutrition affect a child's growth and development? Our option is it has no significant effect, it provides essential nutrients that support brain and body development. Option C is it only affects weight, not mental development. It is not necessary for early childhood development. Our answer of option number B, it provides essential nutrients that supports brain and body development. तापर 115 नंबर क्वेश्चन, why is early childhood education important for development? Our option is it only helps in memorization, it builds foundational cognitive, social and emotional skills, it has no long term effects, it only benefits children from rich families. Our answer of option number B, it builds foundational cognitive, social and emotional skills. तापर 116 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंट्रीज बिकमिंग मोर आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम ईच अदर. ऑप्शन बी रे अच्छी द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, कल्चर्स एंड सोसाइटीज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. ऑप्शन सी रे अच्छी ए पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट टू क्रिएट ए सिंगल वर्ल्ड गवर्नमेंट. ऑप्शन डी रे अच्छी द रिडक्शन ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. आर आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी, द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, कल्चर्स एंड सोसाइटीज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. 117 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a major driver of globalization? Our option is decreases in transportation and communication technologies, increase in traffic and trade restrictions, advance in technology, communication and transportation, a complete ban on international trade. Our answer of option number C, advances in technology, communication and transportation. 118 number question, what is one of the major economic effects of globalization? Option is a decrease in foreign trade, increased interdependence of national economics, elimination of all local businesses, a ban on multinational corporation. Our answer of option number B, increased interdependence of national economies. आर तापर देखिए 119 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which sector is most affected by globalization? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी only the agricultural sector, only the education sector, multiple sectors including business, culture and technology, no sector is affected. Our answer of option number C, multiple sectors including business, culture and technology. तापर 120 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज वन नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन? ऑप्शन अच्छी इट प्रमोट्स कंप्लीट सेल्फ सफिशिएंसी इन एवरी कंट्री, इट एलिमिनेट्स कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी, It can lead to job losses in some industries due to over outsourcing. It prevents international collaboration. Our answer of option number C. It can lead to job losses in some industries due to outsourcing. ତାପରେ 121 number question. What is the meaning of liberalization in the economic context? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी increasing government control over industries, restricting foreign investments, removing government restriction on trade and business activities, banning private businesses. Our answer of option number C. Removing government restriction on trade and business activity. तापर 122 number question. Which of the following is a major effect of economic liberalization? Option अच्छी decrease in competition among businesses, increased foreign investment and trade, complete government control over industries, ban on privatization. Our answer of option number B. Increased foreign investment and trade. तापर देखिए 123 number question. Which of the following is a key feature of liberalization? आर ऑप्शन अच्छी nationalization of industries, removal of trades barriers and traffics, restricting entrepreneurship, increased government interference in business. Our answer of option number B. Removal of trade barriers and traffics. 124 number question. What is one of the risks of liberalization? Our option अच्छी it always leads to economic equality. It may increase economic disparity between rich and poor. It completely eliminates inflation. It reduces the role of private businesses. Our answer of option number B. It may increase economic disparity between rich and poor. तापर 125 number question. How does liberalization impact small scale industries? Our option अच्छी it always benefits small businesses. It can create competition that challenges small businesses. It eliminates competition entirely. It forces small businesses to close immediately. Our answer of option number B. It can create competition that challenges small businesses. तापर 126 number question. What is the general structure of European education system? Our answer option अच्छी only primary and secondary education, only higher education, primary, secondary and higher education, no formal structure. Our answer of option number C. Primary, secondary and higher education. तापर 127 number question. Which organization plays a key role in shaping education policies in Europe? Our option is United Nations, European Union, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, African Union. Our answer of option number B. European Union by EU. 128 number question. What is the Bologna process in European education? Our option is a policy to reduce the number of universities in Europe, a framework to standardize higher education qualification across Europe, a ban on international students in European universities, a system to eliminate online learning in Europe. Our answer of option number B. A framework to standardize higher education qualifications across Europe. तापर 129 number question. What is the minimum age for compulsory education in most European countries? Our option अच्छी 3 to 5 year, 6 to 16 year, 18 to 25 year. There is no compulsory education in Europe. Our answer of option number B. 6 to 16 years. तापर 130 number question. What is the main advantage of the European credit transfer and accumulation system? Our option is it eliminates exam in universities. It allows students to easily transfer academic credits between European universities. It replaces traditional degree with certificates. It prevents students from studying abroad. Our answer of option number B. It allows students to easily transfer academic credits between European universities. तापर देखिए 131 number question. What is meant by education in a global context? Our option अच्छी education that is limited to a single country, the influence of international trends, policies, and collaboration on education worldwide. A system where only wealthy countries provide education, a policy that restricts student exchange. Our answer of option number B, the influence of international trends, policies, and collaborations on education worldwide. ତାପରେ 132 number question, which organization plays a significant role in promoting education globally? आर ऑप्शन अछि FIFA, UNESCO, NATO, OPEC. आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी UNESCO. तापर 133 number question देखिबा, what is the primary goal of sustainable development goal by the United Nations? आर ऑप्शन अछि promote military training worldwide, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong learning for all, limit education only to developed countries, replace traditional education with only online learning. Our answer of option number B, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong learning for all. ତାପରେ 134 number question ଦେଖିବା, what is one major challenge in global education today? आर ऑप्शन अछि overfunding of school in all countries, equal access to education for all children, to the elimination of all online learning platforms, the complete privatization of all schools. Our answer of option number B, equal access to education for all children. तापर 135 number question, how has globalization influenced education? Our option is it has reduces the exchange of knowledge between countries. It has made education more interconnected through international student exchange and online learning. It has stopped the development of new educational technologies. It has led to a decline in higher education institutions. Our answer of option number B, it has made education more interconnected through international student exchanges and online learning. तापर 136 number question देखिबा, what is the basic principle of democracy? आर ऑप्शन अछि rule by a single leader, rule by the people either directly or through elected representatives, complete control by the military, government based only on religious authority. Our answer of option number B, ruled by the people either directly or through elected representatives. तापर 137 number question देखिबा, which of the following is a fundamental feature of democracy? आर ऑप्शन अछि suppression of free speech, free and fair elections, absolute rule by a monarch, one party rule. आर ऑप्शन आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी, free and fair elections. तापर 138 number question, what type of democracy allows citizens to vote directly on laws and policies? आर ऑप्शन अछि representative democracy, direct democracy, monarchy, oligarchy. आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी. तापर 139 number question देखिबा, which of the following is not an essential element of democracy? आर ऑप्शन अछि protection of individual rights, government accountability, concentration of power in one person, rule of law. आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी, concentration of power in one person. तापर 140 number question देखिबा, what does the term rule of law mean in democracy? Our option is only the leaders must follow the law. Laws can be changed arbitrarily by the ruling party. Everyone, including the government, is subject to the law. Laws do not apply to elected officials. Our answer of option number C, everyone includes the government is subject to the law. तापर 141 number question, what is the primary goal of education in a totalitarian state? Our option is to promote critical thinking and individual freedom, to encourage independent decision making among citizens, to control citizens' beliefs and reinforce government ideology, to provide equal opportunities for all citizens. Our answer of option number C, to control citizens' beliefs and reinforce government ideology. तापर देखिए 142 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज एजुकेशन फंक्शन इन ए वेलफेयर स्टेट आर ऑप्शन अच्छी इट इज प्राइमरीली कंट्रोल्ड बाय द प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इट फोकसेस ओनली ऑन मिलिटरी ट्रेनिंग it ensures free and equal educational opportunities for all citizens it restricts access to education based on social class our answer of option number C it ensures free and equal educational opportunities for all citizens 143 number question what is a key characteristic of education in a totalitarian state our option is open discussion and debate on political issues censorship of information and strict government control over curriculum, promotion of diverse perspectives and democratic values, encouragement of free media and independent thought in schools. Our answer of option number B censorship of information and strict government control over curriculum. ତାପରେ 144 number question what is a major difference between education in a totalitarian state and a welfare state. Our option is both provide complete freedom in education. Totalitarian states promote individual choice while welfare states suppress it. Welfare states prioritize social welfare and equal access to education while totalitarian states prioritize government control over knowledge. Totalitarian states focus on free and inclusive education while welfare states restrict education. Our answer of option number C welfare states prioritize social welfare and equal access to education while totalitarian states prioritize government control over knowledge. तापर 145 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द रोल ऑफ ए टीचर इन ए टोटलिटेरियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम our option is to encourage critical thinking and questioning of government policies, to serve as an agent of the state, reinforcing the official ideology, to provide students with multiple viewpoints on political issues, to foster creativity and independent decision making among students. Our answer of option number B to serve as an agent of the state, reinforcing the official ideology. 146 number question what is the primary role of the state in education our option is to privatize all educational institutions to ensure access to education and regulate its quality to eliminate all forms of formal education to control only higher education institutions our answer of option number B to ensure access to education and regulate its quality तापर 147 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज एजुकेशन कंट्रीब्यूट टू द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द स्टेट आर ऑप्शन अछि बाय डिस्करेजिंग सिविक पार्टिसिपेशन बाय क्रिएटिंग एन अनएजुकेटेड वर्कफोर्स बाय प्रिपेयरिंग इन्फॉर्म्ड एंड रिस्पांसिबल सिटीजन्स बाय प्रमोटिंग ओनली वोकेशनल स्किल्स आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी बाय प्रिपेयरिंग इन्फॉर्म्ड एंड रिस्पांसिबल सिटीजन्स 148 number question in a democratic state what is a key function of education our option is to promote unquestioned loyalty to the ruling party to encourage critical thinking and active citizenship to limit access to knowledge based on social class to prevent discussion about government policies our answer of option number B to encourage critical thinking and active citizenship तापर 149 नंबर क्वेश्चन हाउ डज द स्टेट इन्फ्लुएंस एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आर ऑप्शन अच्छे बाय सेटिंग लॉज करिकुला एंड फंडिंग पब्लिक एजुकेशन बाय अलाउइंग स्कूल्स टू ऑपरेट विदाउट एनी रूल्स by banning higher education institutions by eliminating the need for trained teachers our answer of option number A by setting laws curricula and funding public education 150 number question what is a major debate regarding the role of the state in education our option is whether the state should abolish education entirely the balance between public and private control of education whether students should be banned from learning multiple languages the elimination of education laws our answer of option number B the balance between public and private control of education 151 number question how does education contribute to nation building our option is by increasing social divisions by fostering national unity and civic responsibility, by discouraging political participation, by eliminating cultural diversity. Our answer of option number B, by fostering national unity and civic responsibility. 152 number question, what is the role of education in economic development? Our option is it reduces the need for a skilled workforce, it increases unemployment, it enhances productivity and innovation, it discourages entrepreneurship. Our answer of option number C, it enhances productivity and innovation. ତାପରେ 153 number question, how does education help in promoting democracy in a nation? Our option ଅଛି by restricting access to political knowledge, by encouraging informed decision making and civic participation, by eliminating the need for voting rights, by reducing political awareness among citizens. Our answer of option number B, by encouraging informed decision making and civic participation. 154 number question, what is the role of education in social development? Our option ଅଛି it helps eliminate discrimination and promotes social equality, it encourages social conflicts, it encourages illiteracy rates, it prevents cultural exchange. Our answer of option number A, it helps eliminating discrimination and promotes social equality. ତାପରେ 155 number question, how does education shape national identity? Our option ଅଛି by preserving cultural heritage and shared values, by rejecting traditional costumes, by preventing people from learning about their history, by encouraging visions among communities. Our answer of option number A, by preserving cultural heritage and shared values. 156 number question, what does state control of education mean? Our option ଅଛି the government has no involvement in education. The state regulates and oversees educational policies, curricula and institutions. Private institutions fully control the education system. Education is entirely optional and unregulated. Our answer of option number B, the state regulates and oversees educational policies, curricula and institutions. ତାପରେ 157 number question, which of the following is a benefit of state control in education? Our option ଅଛି it ensures uniformity and equal access to education, it restricts students' ability to learn, it eliminates private education options, it prevents technological advancement in learning. Our answer of option number A, it ensures uniformity and equal access to education. 158 number question, what does autonomy in education mean? Our option ଅଛି educational institutions operate without any regulation. Schools and universities have the freedom to design curricula, teaching method and policies within a board legal framework. Only the government can decide what is taught in schools. Students can choose whether to attend school or not. Our answer of option number B, schools and universities have the freedom to design curricula, teaching method and policies within a board legal framework. तापर 159 number question, what is a potential drawback of too much state control in education? Our option अछि increased creativity in teaching, over regulation that limits innovation and flexibility, more opportunities for student driven learning, greater diversity in curriculum design. Our answer of option number B, over regulation that limits innovation and flexibility. तापर 160 number question, what is a key challenge of complete autonomy in education? Our option अछि it can lead to a lack of accountability and unequal education quality, it ensures uniform educational opportunities for all, it reduces the risk of misinformation in education, it makes education free for all students. Our answer of option number A, it can lead to a lack of accountability and unequal education quality. आजर वीडियो रे एति क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करबा. जदि वीडियो भल लागला लाइक करंतु आ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. पुणी देखा हबो नेक्स्ट आ गोटे वीडियो रे. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.